happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Everybody sing. Happy birthday to you.
Kapatid ni Maricel Soriano na si Mel Martinez nag-celebrate ng 50th birthday. At kasama sa celebration, ang pamangkin na si Meryl at ang asawa niyang si Joem Bascon. Makikita namang si Kito ang laki na at ang pogi-pogi. Close nga siya sa kanyang lolo Mel. Ang saya ng celebration kasama ang buong pamilya. Simpleng salo-salo para sa ika-50, masaya na si Mel. May mapagmahal siyang pamilya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Everybody sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Todo kanta naman nga ang pamangkin na si Meryl sa kanyang paboritong tito. Masaya nga at nagkasama-sama ulit sila. Nakabanding ulit ni Mel ang apo na si Baby Guido na napakalaki na nga ngayon. Sumayaw nga silang apat at tawang-tawa si Daddy Joem sa ginawa ng anak. Sabi ni Mel Martinez, golden boy na si Meliton. Thank you to my family and friends for making this day special. Thank you, Lord, for the gift of life, and may you guide me on golden journey.
Okay, you can.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Sabay-sabay.
Birthday, happy birthday. Everybody sing. Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mel! Ay, wala na akong camera. Yung camera kayo nawala. Ano ko yan eh? Did you wish? Yeah, you wish. Did you wish something for Tito Mel, for Lolo Mel? Oh, candy. Tito Mel! Nakakatakot. Happy birthday!